On this video, we'll be doing a try-on haul and my honest review on Mate the Label's latest collection, which is Move by Mate. It is their activewear. I'm a big fan of Mate, and if you don't know who Mate the Label is, they are a sustainable loungewear brand originally, and they talk a lot about non-toxic materials on your body. For example, using organic cotton versus non-organic cotton. Disclaimer, I am one of their dress clean advocate. They send most of their stuff to me for free. I love them. I love the company as a whole, but please realize that I have a bias with them and take what I say with a grain of salt. Hi, if you don't know me, I'm Nisa Fariha and I am your digital best friend. Like this video to help this channel out, and if you're into self-care, productivity, and conscious consumption, subscribe to this channel because that's what we're all about. I usually upload once a week on a Thursday, but I want to upload this video as soon as I can. So they finally launched their activewear, which is a Move by Mate, and I am super excited. I have 3 things from them, which is their sports bra, biker shorts. I think that's what people call this kind of style. If it's not, you'll see the corrected name on screen right now. And of course, their leggings. Also, just to give more reference to you, my body is an hourglass shape, and I will give you guys my measurements right over here. Just to give you guys more context if you are interested in trying out this active line. Also, I have a discount code. Check the description box down below. Let's review the sports bra because I think sports bra and leggings are important, mostly sports bra, because we don't want our boobies to jump around when we're, working out. I have the size in medium and the color is rose. I want to point out that they are made with 92% organic cotton and 8% spandex. For more in-depth reference, I am going to compare this with my Nike sports bra. Oh, sorry, my Adidas sports bra. All right, let me see what they were made out of. I can't tell you what this sports bra is made out of because I can't find any information about it, but I'm gonna assume that there's a lot of polyesters and definitely more spandex compared to Mate. I'm just going to assume. If you touch with a simple touch, I can tell this is definitely cotton. It's much more soft and comfortable, and this is definitely your traditional sports bra that you wear, that you know that it's like I would say kind of with a dry fit material. I don't know if dry fit is exclusively for Nike, but it's definitely that material. Definitely polyester material. This sports bra does not have padding like this sports bra. And when you wear it, I think it depends on your boobs, but my nipples definitely, you can definitely see my nipples without the padding. To some, it bothers them. To some, they don't care. I'm just offering this information to you for you to consider it. Let's talk about the absorption between Adidas and Mate's sports bra. Adidas definitely have a better absorption, and let me explain to you guys why. I 100% believe it's because of the material used, from the feel of it, when I'm touching it. I can tell that there's probably polyester or some other kind of material that is polyester-ish, meaning plastic. Compared to compared to Mate's, it's definitely soft. It's cotton. When I was working out with this sports bra to be exact, I definitely feel a bit more damp compared to Adidas, but it doesn't bother me. I'm definitely disappointed in Mate's level of support. It doesn't have any padding, and when I was walking super fast on the treadmill because I don't run, my boobies were definitely jumping around. Boobies, tatas, what am I, 6? But anyway, yeah, it's definitely not comfortable when you're doing something more like high intense workout, for example, HIIT workout, or even when you're playing sports like tennis when you move around. It definitely doesn't have the support of like a traditional Adidas or Nike sports bra. I do like this specific fitting though. When I put it on, it's definitely not too tight, so it's breathable. Because of that, I would recommend using this for low impact exercise. You can probably do it for yoga or some stretches. I wouldn't recommend for sports like tennis or badminton because your girls would just be jiggling everywhere and it's probably gonna be uncomfortable for you. Now let's move along to, I wanna talk about the black leggings really quick because everybody needs some sort of a black legging, whether it's just to chill, to do yoga, or to pretend like we're working out, but really we just wanna go to Starbucks and grab some coffee. Yeah. I'm gonna compare this legging to this legging that I use. I'm not sure what brand it is. This is one of my SIU merch. Let me see what it's made out of. I can tell it's polyester. All right, so it is 43% nylon, 10% spandex, and the mesh is 88 polyester, 12% spandex. I think these are a different type of plastic, but I'm gonna fact check myself, and if I'm wrong, I'm gonna let you guys know on the screen right now. And if I'm not wrong, wow, I'm smarter than I think. Let's talk about what Mate is made out of. Yeah, so let's talk about the material of this legging. It is 92% organic cotton and 8% spandex. I would say both of this are comfortable. However, this is much cozier because it is cotton. So this is very comfortable and very durable. I definitely see myself working out with this. I have worked out with this pants this morning on the treadmill. It's really comfortable. It's not too tight, but it's well fitted. Yeah, it's not tight, it's well fitted, I love it. I definitely see myself hanging out wearing one of these. And because that it's black, it's not see-through, so if you're wearing your underwear or whatsoever, it's not going to bother, at least from my experience. So the biker shorts is definitely one of my favorites. I've been wanting to get something like this, but thank God for Mate, they sent me this. And I love it. I love how it fits my body, how it hugs my hips and my waist as well, and I think my booty looks really cutie in this. Who am I today? This short's also made out of 92 organic cotton and 8% spandex for your reference. It is still like stretchable and it's very comfortable because of the cotton. However, I think due to the color, I will not recommend you wearing your underwear. So I would say go commando because your underwear you can definitely see your underwear, especially if your underwear is like black or navy or whatsoever, you can definitely see it. From my personal experience, these are definitely comfortable and you can definitely use these pieces for your loungewear sets. I would consider this definitely a low impact material, a low impact kind of activewear. That's just me. I have a 20% discount code for Mate the Label. If you're interested, check out my description box down below. It will be right over there. If you want to learn more about Mate, you can check out this video or go to their website. And if you're a conscious consumer, check out this playlist right over here. You would definitely love it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Take care. Oh, don't forget to be a better human, guys. Take care.